Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Visakhapatnam location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there are vacancies available from Sajix Software Solution Private Limited. So they have openings for the Java freshers located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So coming to day-to-day roles and responsibilities, assisting the development manager with all aspects of software design and coding, attending and contributing to company development meetings, and learning the code base and improving your coding skills, and writing and maintaining code, working on minor fixes, and monitoring the technical performance of internal systems, and responding to requests from the development team, and gathering information from consumers about program functionality, and writing reports, and at last you need to conduct development tests. So these are the rules and responsibilities, and if you want to apply for this fresher job vacancy, you can check in the description for the link. So I have provided the link for your reference to apply for this position. Next one, there are openings available from Apollo Hospitals. For typist positions, it is for laboratory services. So coming to day-to-day responsibilities for this job position, like to type the report with accuracy and finish the work on time, and you should be responsible for preparing statement and to type the official correspondence, and also responsible for the filling of correspondence statement and other official documents, and you need to maintain the stationary items and assist the senior technologist in periodical indenting, and also you need to participate and contribute to the departmental quality initiatives, and to be aware of department's performance and objective, and also to carry out data collection or support in data collection, and to adhere the safety norms of the hospital and follow both the patient safety and staff safety rules, and also at last you need to perform any job or work as and when assigned by the superior. So these are the roles and responsibilities required for this position, typist position. So for more detailed information and also to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description. So you please go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for Transaction Processing Associate 1. It is from Conduent HQ organization. So it is located in Vishakhapatnam. So coming to responsibilities, receives and processes and ensures document clarification are completed and transmitted to clients, and may require outbound correspondence from the client to be processed, and you can go through with all the roles and responsibilities provided here, and if you want to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description for your reference, so you can go through it once. Next one, there is a job opening for associate for People Solutions. It is from Concentrix located in Vishakhapatnam. So here coming to responsibilities, you need to assist with evaluating, analyzing and implementing all human resources activities, which include but not limited to employee engagement and relations, and compensation and benefits, talent and performance management. And you need to receive, process and respond to day-to-day employee concerns, and coordinate with appropriate stakeholders as necessary, and assist with collection, maintain, analyze and report on various types of key human resources metrics to assist management in effect decision making, and also prepare documentary requirements for HR partners, handling labor related cases as necessary, ensure maintenance of accurate and concise records and reports concerning all employee data and all phases of human resources processes, working within HRIS tools in accordance with company policy and statutory or local laws. So we can also check here with the rest of the core responsibilities provided, and to apply for this position we have provided the link in the description, so you can go through it once. Next one, there is a job opening for execute position for quality cell. So it is from Apollo Hospitals located in Vishakhapatnam. So for this position you should be having qualification like graduate or postgraduate in hospital management, and also 2 to 3 years of work experience is required, and working with the quality team in implementation of hospital wide continuous quality improvement programs, and you need to maintain documents of all quality system procedures and work instructions, and to conduct internal quality audit as per the frequency decided, and to coordinate with the HODs for the clearance of non-conformity and ensure CA and P are taken when necessary, and to update the quality systems documents as and when required. So you need to help quality head in implementing quality assurance protocols decided by Apollo Group and any other jobs assigned by the superior. So these are the roles and responsibilities, and you can also check here with the other functions like other responsibilities provided. And if you want to apply for this executive position, we have provided the link in the description, so you can go through it once. Next one, there are openings for the coordinator position for marketing. It is also from Apollo Hospitals. So coming to day-to-day responsibilities like you need to handle all inward telephone calls appropriately, and you need to take down messages when necessary and pass them to the respective individuals, and to assist in collection of business statistics from various locations as instructed, and also to maintain absolute integrity with the organization and its members, use and maintain all office equipments appropriately, and especially those issued exclusively, and you need to maintain pleasant disposition at all times, and will be willing to attend to need of clients of the hospital beyond duty hours, and you need to organize self and office for effective response, and also to participate and contribute to departmental quality initiatives, and to be aware of departments in performance and objectives. So you need to perform any job or task assigned by the superior. So these are the roles and responsibilities. Please go through the information provided here, and for more detailed information and to apply for this position we have provided the link in the description for your reference, so you can go through it once. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant officer position. So it is from Pfizer and located in Vishakhapatnam. So for this position, coming to job responsibilities, visual inspection equipment handling, visual inspection of the product, execution of qualification protocols, and handling of defect kits. So these are the responsibilities, and coming to qualification details, you should have done diploma or bachelor's degree to apply for this assistant officer position, and above 4 years of experience is required, and demonstrated good oral and written communication skills. So these are the details about this position. So to apply for this position you can check in the description, like we have provided the link in the description, so you can go through it once. Next one, there is a job opening for IT executive position. It is from SR Shopping Mall located in Visakhapatnam. So they are going to offer a salary will be 15,000 to 18,000 rupees per month. And coming to responsibilities, you need to install, configure, and maintain computer network systems, and you should be responsible for ensuring the company's computer network is functioning properly or and up to date, and setting QP peripherals and maintaining and repairing, keeping records, strong hardware and network troubleshooting skills, and CC cameras troubleshooting and software installation. So these are the roles and responsibilities, and if you want to apply for this IT executive position, the link is available in the description. You can go through it once. Next one, there is a job opening for system administrator position. It is from Infospan Technologies located in Vishakhapatnam. So it will be a fast growing and leading end-to-end RCM company located in Vizag. So they are looking for the candidates with the hands-on experience in system administration and the network support. So any candidates are interested to apply for this position. So for those candidates, you can go through with the link. It is available in the description. Next one, there are openings for day trading, equity and forex position. It is from CryptoFirm Technology Solutions Private Limited, located in Visakhapatnam. So they are going to offer a salary will be 50,000 rupees per month for this position, and you must have done post secondary degree in finance or related field. It will be optional, and you have excellent written and oral communication skills and also excellent knowledge of financial industry and investment products, and identify improvements in key operational processes, and you need to participate in developing training web material social media content. So these are the responsibilities. So interested candidates, you can apply to this job through the link. So it is available in the description, you can go through it once. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.